Okay. Can you get her to come back this way, Garrett? Come closer to this side, Garrett.
Why?
Okay. Just you guys were getting a little too close to the street, that's all. Is it dry or is it raining?
Rainy. Mommy, just try it. And you'll decide you change your mind on the rain.
Yeah, it's raining.
Jump, and then play back in the raindrops. Mommy, you're having so fun. I saw the raindrop on my neck.
I bet you did.
Yeah. Hey, it's raining. Hey. It's rain. Let's take a little break in the rain.
No, I want her to stay down. The deck is slippery when it's wet.
It's okay. I just brushed my shoes off.
Yeah, she's not as good at standing on slippery things as you are.
Huh?
She's not as good at standing on slippery things as you are.
It's like I have suction cups on my feet.
Cool.
I keep me safe when I'm switch. And you're done. You're done. I'm just going to play in the rain. Mommy, I'm getting a free kid shower.
You are. You're getting a free kid wash.
Yeah. Oh, look at that hair. Wait, what does my hair look like?
It looks wet and flat.
Madison.
Yep.
Let me fix it. Let me fix it. There. That's the best I can do.